Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making wine apple jam. Yeah, wine flavored apple jam. So for this, take 2 red apple, peel them and cut them into small pieces. Now take a pan, put your chopped apple in the pan and put on the gas. Now add half a cup of water and little bit of food color. If you want, you can avoid food color. Toss it and then cover it till apple is soft. Once apple is soft, mash them with a spoon or whatsoever you have. Cook further till water is evaporate. Now add a pinch of cinnamon powder and mix it well. Add a pinch of black pepper powder and mix it again. Now add a pinch of black salt and mix it and cook it for another half a minute. Now add 2 tablespoons of red wine and mix it and cook till wine is evaporate. Stir continuously. Now add half a lime juice and mix it well. Now you can add sugar or sugar substitute. We are adding sugar substitute and mix it well. Now let it cool down and your wine apple jam is ready.